Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel Channel, and I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn. If you'd like to join under me, you can use the promo code JEWEL20 and get 20% off your first month. All of my links and everything is down below in the description. And if you keep going down, you can choose your monthly crate. There's different boxes to choose from. And if you are new to my channel, I have a blog called amyscrochetpatterns.com. That is also in the description down below. If you click on patterns, most of all my patterns are free. You can click on a category, click on holidays, it will take you here and show you my Easter patterns. And you can click right on the photo. It will take you right to the pattern, and most of my patterns have videos. Also, I have my Etsy store, Amy Creative Creations. You can click on my categories, crochet PDFs, and also my vintage crochet patterns. And then click all, which will show you all my printable and digital downloads, which are holiday related and tags for thank yous and those type of items in there if you'd like to take a look. Congratulations to Kathy Miller. Contact me with my email with your address so I can send this out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for watching and subscribing, and look out for more videos coming and my latest videos. And I will look into possibly making a video about cotton yarn because somebody did suggest that. So thank you everybody for watching and subscribing.